Apple's jaw-dropping event wasn't all about the iPhones, because the new AirPods Pro 3 may have quietly stolen the show. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the latest tech updates. Arriving 3 years after the last Pro update, these earbuds are more than just an audio upgrade. They're a tech flex for your ears. Priced at $249 and available for pre-order now, the AirPods Pro 3 look familiar on the outside, but they're a major leap forward. For starters, they now include a built-in heart rate sensor, turning your earbuds into mini health trackers, perfect for workouts or wellness monitoring. Apple even claims they tested the design on over 10,000 ears to ensure the most secure, best-fitting design yet. But the real headline grabber? Live translation. With an iPhone running iOS 26 and the latest hardware, these earbuds can translate languages in real time, allowing you to have natural conversations with someone who speaks a different language, just like something out of a sci-fi movie. The event even showed its translation for languages like English, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish, with Italian, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese coming by year's end. And you know what the best part is? Apple isn't locking this feature to just the newest model. Live translation will also come to AirPods Pro 2 and the upcoming AirPods 4 with ANC, as long as you're running the right hardware and software. Add to that improved active noise cancellation, as Apple claims it's the best in-ear ANC on the market, with support for spatial audio and up to 10 hours of battery life in transparency mode. These aren't just earbuds. They're your real-time translator, workout tracker, and audio powerhouse, all tucked into your pocket. So, do you think these earbuds are cool? Comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.